Well, hello, kiddos. We're going to be going and doing 14-3, and I have all the pages in my book for that one, so I can go over it with you guys. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, this section is going to be a little bit tricky because it has bar diagrams, which we love, right? And also number lines, okay? So it has both, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and go over this together, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the solve and share. And if you're doing it in your book or you're doing it online, you can go ahead and look at this video and it should help you a lot, okay? So we're starting on page 751. And if you're ignoring my wonderful child in the background, it says, Madison wants to exercise for 30 minutes every day. Before school, she only has enough time for 10 minutes or less. One day, she did 8 minutes before school and 22 minutes after school, okay? So if she's exercising before school, she can only do 10 minutes or less, okay? So when we do the bar diagram, we can't go over 10. Okay, it says this is one way she can exercise. It says find some other ways she can exercise before and after school to reach her goal of exercising 30 minutes each day. So when you add it together, it has to equal 30. So the first time that she exercised, and moms and dads, if you want to know about these bar diagrams, basically this plus this equals the top number. Okay, if I'm doing subtraction, it's the top number minus one of the boxes equals the other box, because both of these boxes have to add together. It's like a triangle. These two boxes add together to equal this. So the number we want to equal is 30. So the first combination is 8 and 22. So you have to think of another way to make 30. So I'm going to draw another one. Well, she says she has to stay under 10 minutes. Well, I'm going to go ahead and use 10 because 10s are my friend. 10 plus what equals 30? Okay, 10 and 20. So she can exercise 10 before school and 20 after school. Okay, another combination could have been 5 and 25, and that would equal the 30. Okay, next on the bottom, this is called the look back. It says, do you think you found all the ways to solve the problem above? No. There are more. Because you can do 1 and 29. Now that would be silly. 1 minute before school. 2 and 28. Any combination to make 10. So there's more. Okay. Next we have the Convince Me, which is the teaching page. Okay, this has all the good stuff. It shows the bar diagram. Okay, it says this plus this equals this. 35 plus what equals 45. Okay, so you would subtract those to find that. That would be 10. Next, you have the number line. I'm going to show y'all that in some of the examples. Okay. All right, it says how much longer will it take Joaquin to finish all of his after school, or Joaquin, that's what it is. Show one way to represent and solve, okay? So this person, it has, I'm gonna look at the word problem. Okay, so he practiced playing his piano 35 minutes. How much longer did he need to practice? Okay, practice piano, 45 minutes. It says how much longer would it take him to finish all of his stuff? Okay, so he played with Ron for, if he does 45 minutes, we'll do the bar, plus 60, plus 50, that would show all the minutes that he needs to finish his after school activities. Okay, so just add them up. 45 plus 60 would be 105, and then 50, that would be 155. 155 minutes.